change out the water pump on my 12 valve GTI VR6. Let's see how it goes. Alright, break this nut loose. This is a 13 millimeter. Using a 20-inch extension. And you can just grab it by hand. You're going to go ahead and remove that bracket that's holding the oxygen sensor and just move it aside. There's a 17 millimeter bolt underneath. Take that off. There she blows. Get that 17 millimeter. Where my 17 at? There we are. Maybe it's not a 17. Hold on here a second. Alright, scratch that. It's definitely a 16 millimeter. Damn, that bitch wasn't even tight. Wow. Next we're going to take the other engine mount bolt off. Right down in there. Right here. Underneath this guy. So a few weeks later, still trying to fix the GTI. I don't know if I told you, I replaced the clutch slave cylinder. Now I need to replace the clutch master cylinder, and hopefully that fixes the problem. But another issue wrong with the GTI is it needs a new water pump. And to get the water pump pulley off, you have to take 3 bolts off, and it's hard to not strip them, so a lot of people recommend getting a pulley holder tool. And that's what I got in here. That's a bad boy. Fucking pursuit going on. This motherfucker. Alright. That's how you want to do it? Finally got the pulley tool. Got the car jacked up from underneath, jacked up the engine. It's on just like so. And you just put your all 3 bolts off. You should be able to just wiggle it free. A bit of finesse. I got the water pump bolts off. Had to use a 6 millimeter Allen. I put the jack bar on top of it to get more torque to break the bottom one loose. The top 2 came out easy though. The breaker bar to get this water pump off the engine. See if we can do it.
Noise speed, huh? That's the one. I read this article about this guy. He knew about BMWs in the 70s and 80s from Germany. dude, you know. And he hooked up with BMW over here. He's like an engineer of some type, you know, end up racing a lot. Not so much land. Somewhere in Oklahoma, he built like a racetrack on his own land. And that's like game. I want to do that. I made so much money I started doing that. Anybody, I should see to come racing. On my land. Where's it leaking on this? See that?
It's in here.
So, no. And it goes. And there it is.